Hey guys, it's Jenny and
Camron Danger
and
Bella.
And today we are doing a video where Bella and Cameron do my makeup. So yeah, let's get started. So first we're gonna do eyeshadows.
Okay. So we're using the Wild Face Candy. It's backwards, but
It won't be one.
yeah. And we're using the gold color Bang and the light brown color Reckless. So yeah. So I'm not talking that much in this video.
I see this.
Do you want to do first?
Mm-hmm.
Do you do the gold or the brown first?
I usually start with the browns. In the crease and outer corner.
I kind of put some on your eye.
That's okay. The gold will cover it.
Okay, what's the crease?
It's right in here where the eye opens. There you go.
Now you gotta do it for the other eye. So. Oh yeah. We need more. We're on a mission. We're going on a mission.
Tickles.
I know. All right.
You done?
All right. Next we're doing
Beautiful.
gold. And we just put it like right around here.
Right on the lid.
Gosh, I've never done makeup on somebody, so.
You've never even done your own makeup.
Yes, I have. Once. Oh no, this is going to be so bad. I don't know why, because I'm new, so.
Practice.
Practice makes perfect.
Oh yeah.
You're gonna
Okay.
put it.
I just missed the spot. Okay, and now I have to do the other eye. This is
I'm gonna put her lipstick on.
okay. My gosh. Oh, don't. Okay, I don't know, but you know, that's just I that can't really do it that well, but it's okay because yeah.
Now eyeliner.
You want to do the eyeliner and then I do the mascara and then you do the lips.
The top comes off. And then it twists up. Do you know where eyeliner goes? Right here along the lash line.
I'm probably gonna get it on your lash.
It's okay.
Okay.
Do you usually say what kind of things you're using?
Yep.
Okay, so
Are you done with that?
Yeah.
we used the Believe Beauty Long Lasting Eyeliner.
In caviar, which is black. If you hear
Alright.
banging, people are tearing the basement out. So just in case you wonder what that big bang just was.
Yeah, because there's mold.
We gotta get it out.
All right, geez, do you just do the top?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I've done this part before.
Yep.
I don't think I did great.
Yeah, you did. You didn't poke me in the eye, so that's good.
Oh gosh, I've never done it on somebody before. I'm scared. I want to poke.
Don't go like that close.
Gosh, that's scary. Jeez. Oh no, okay. Yeah, and for that, we use the Believe Beauty
Voluminize. Took
mascara.
me forever to figure out how to say that too.
Is it my turn?
Lippy sticky.
Yeah.
You have to twist it off.
I'm
I'll
bad
try
at
to read
twisting.
that. I think I can read that. All right. Do we hold that?
Hold on, let me just. Okay, good.
Beautiful.
You've been sarcastic.
It's a little outside the lines, but it's all good.
Okay.
I think I did terrible.
We use the Gerard Cosmetics. It's the Hydro Mile High. Yeah, it's that color.
It's beautiful. So, that was our fun little video.
With Camron Danger, the YouTuber.
And,
Bella.
yay!
Make sure to go subscribe to my channel. It's in the first link.
It's in the description box. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe,
To me and Mom.
hit the bell to become part of the Notification Nation. And yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!
I'm doing the jazz hands.